2011 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, DVD system, heated seats, power passenger seat, premium wheels, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.